Most people think survival is about skill. It's not, it's about preparation. These 11 gadgets have already saved real lives, and one of them might save yours. Imagine being deep in the backcountry, miles from a cell tower, and something goes seriously wrong. Your phone is suddenly just an expensive piece of glass. The Garmin inReach Messenger has become the gold standard for this scenario over the last few years. Unlike your phone, it connects directly to the Iridium satellite network, giving you global coverage from pole to pole. Its magic lies in seamless technology. It automatically uses Wi-Fi or cellular when available, and the moment they vanish, it switches to satellite without skipping a beat. With a battery that lasts a staggering 28 days and a dedicated SOS button that connects you to an international rescue center, this palm-sized device is the strongest insurance policy you can carry. 3 days. That is how long the human body survives without water. But in the wild, the challenge isn't just finding water, it's finding safe water. The LifeStraw Peak series, launched in 2022, represents the pinnacle of microfiltration. Through a 0.2 micron membrane, it eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and parasites without chemicals or battery. What sets the Peak series apart from older models is the drastically improved flow rate and durability. The membrane is now far more resistant to clogging from sand and silt. You can screw it onto standard bottles or drink directly from a stream. Weighing just 1.6 ounces with a 2,000-liter lifespan, it turns a questionable puddle into a life-saving source. It's the easiest way to ensure thirst never knocks you out of the race. What if the fire warming your frozen fingers could also charge your GPS? The BioLite Camp Stove, 2+ uses patented thermoelectric technology to convert heat into usable electricity. An internal fan creates a combustion vortex, allowing for a completely smokeless burn using nothing but twigs and biomass found on the forest floor. While you cook, an integrated 3,200 mAh battery stores power, giving you juice for lights or communication in critical moments. The 2+ model brings a higher power output and better fan control than the original. There's no need to carry heavy gas canisters. The nature around you is your fuel. In extended crises, this mini reactor is the only tool that provides heat, hot food, and power for your digital lifeline simultaneously. Most filters require manual pumping, which is a major problem if you are exhausted, injured, or hypothermic. The Survivor Filter Pro X Electric is the world's first portable electric filter that eliminates that physical toll. With the push of a button, it processes half a liter of water per minute using a dual-stage system. The first stage stops bacteria, while the second, a 0.01 micron ultrafilter, removes viruses, a rarity for portable gear. It's powered by 2 AA batteries that can process up to 360 liters before needing a swap. For group scenarios or situations where every ounce of physical energy is precious, this device changes the game. It allows you to focus on shelter and navigation while it handles the heavy lifting for your health. A close encounter with a predator is a test of nerves no one wants. The Sabre Frontiersman Max is the engineering answer to that fear. This is the strongest legal formula on the market, featuring 2.0% major capsaicinoids, 50% more potent than standard police's sprays. The latest models use the eco-friendly HFO 1234ZE propellant, ensuring a massive 40-foot range to create a barrier between you and danger. Unlike narrow streams, this spray creates a dense fog that doesn't require surgical precision during a panic. With a glow-in-the-dark safety and a chest holster for instant access, it buys you the critical seconds and distance needed to survive. In bear or mountain lion country, this canister is the only thing that stops an attack without fatal consequences. The old problem with multi-tools was needing 2 hands and a lot of fumbling to open them. In a survival scenario, that's unacceptable. The Leatherman Free K2 uses a revolutionary magnetic architecture that allows you to deploy every one of its 8 tools with a single thumb. even while wearing heavy gloves. The heart of the tool is a premium steel blade, but it also features screwdriver, an awl, and a pry tool that lock into place as securely as a fixed knife. Made from surgical-grade steel and lightweight aluminum, the K2 weighs just 4.9 ounces. From gear repair to prepping kindling or assisting in first aid, it provides the functionality of a full toolbox in the profile of a standard pocket knife. Dead devices don't save lives. In any extended emergency, keeping your GPS or satellite communicator powered isn't a luxury. It's your connection to rescue. The Goal Zero Nomad 10 is a foldable 10-watt solar panel weighing just over a pound. It's built to survive extreme conditions. It's impact-resistant, dust-proof, and rain-ready. Its smartest feature is the auto restart function, which automatically resumes charging as soon as the sun peeks out from behind a cloud, removing the need to manually reset cable. An integrated kickstand allows you to position it at the perfect angle, maximizing every ray of sun. Whether you're stranded after a vehicle breakdown or on a multi-day expedition, the Nomad 10 turns free energy into your most important survival lifeline. For urban disasters or prolonged power outages, you need massive energy capacity in a ruggedized package. The Bulevor Power Bank offers 20,000 mAh, enough to charge a smartphone up to 5 times. This device is a true Swiss Army knife of power. It features wireless charging, a USB-C output, and a built-in LED flashlight with an SOS mode for signaling. While the solar panel on the back is primarily for emergency trickle charging, it offers precious autonomy when wall outlets are a memory. An IP67 rating means you can drop it in mud or water without fear. In a world where information means survival, this portable reservoir ensures your digital maps and communication stay active until the very end. Navigating a dark wilderness is where a simple trip becomes a fatal fall. The BioLight headlamp 750 delivers 750 lumens in an incredibly balanced design. What sets it apart is the 3D Slim Fit technology. By placing the battery on the back of the head, it prevents slipping and neck fatigue during movement. With constant mode, the lamp maintains its brightness level without dimming as the battery drains, which is critical for precise navigation. The red night vision mode preserves your natural eye adjustment to the dark, while a rear red light ensures you remain visible to others. With USB charging and a 40-hour runtime on low, this isn't just a lamp, it's your personal lighthouse in the blackest scenario. Trauma surgeons are clear. The most common preventable death in the wild isn't hunger, it's massive bleeding. You have a window of only 3 to 5 minutes to act. The Tough Possum Gear Hemorrhage Pouch is a compact kit designed specifically for that critical window. Made from indestructible 1000D Cordura, it allows you to access medical supplies with one quick motion, even under extreme stress. Inside, there is dedicated space for a tourniquet, wound-packing gauze, and a chest seal. Bright red pull tabs ensure you find it instantly in your pack when seconds count. Owning high-end bleeding control gear is the difference between a tragedy and surviving until professional help arrives. It's the most important few ounces of weight you will ever carry. Being stranded with a dead battery 40 miles from civilization in winter isn't just an inconvenience, it's life-threatening. The Nocio Boost XGB150 is an ultra-powerful jump starter delivering 3,000 amps, enough to kickstart massive diesel engines that are completely dead. While it's far more compact than traditional jumper cables, it packs incredible power and advanced safety systems that prevent sparking even if you hook the terminals up backwards. It also doubles as a power bank for your devices and features a 500-lumen LED flashlight for night work. The GB150 holds its charge for a full year in your glove box, waiting for the moment it saves you from a long, cold night on a deserted road. Which of these devices do you consider absolutely essential for your next adventure? Let me know in the comments, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.